Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of mid-range smartphones with the all-new Honor X series. Chinese smartphone maker Honor has introduced the mid-range phone of the X series, which is also being described as better in terms of cameras. The company has launched the Honor X8B with a 6.8-inch screen and 8GB of RAM. The phone has been introduced with 128GB of memory, while it has other security features including a fingerprint sensor. Honor X8B has 3 cameras on the back, of which the main camera is 108 megapixels, while the second one is 5 megapixels and the third one is 2 megapixels. On the front of the phone, there is a better 50 megapixel selfie camera compared to other phones. The company claims that the phone's cameras have used advanced technology, and its sensors have also been improved. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 680, powered by Android 13 operating system. The Honor X8B has been introduced with a 4500 mAh battery and a 305 fast charger. The company has offered the phone for sale at a price of around 60 Pakistani rupees, but it was not initially offered in all countries. It is likely that the Honor X8B will be launched soon in other countries including Pakistan. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this look at the Honor X series. Until next time, stay techy.